Adjectives on stage. The power of position in English sentences. Hello, language learners. Welcome back to another exciting lesson in our grammar series. Today, we're diving into a very interesting part of English grammar: adjectives. But we're not just talking about any old adjectives. We're focusing on the position of adjectives in sentences. Understanding this can really elevate your English skills, so let's jump right in. Before we talk about their position, let's quickly recap what an adjective is. An adjective is a word that describes or modifies another person or thing in the sentence. For example, in the sentence, "She has a beautiful dress," beautiful is an adjective because it's describing the dress. Now, let's move on to the main topic: the position of adjectives. In English, adjectives usually take two main positions: attributive and predicative. Subsection 2.1. Attributive adjectives. Attributive adjectives directly precede the noun they modify. They're often the ones we think of when we think about adjectives. For instance, in the sentence, "She has a beautiful dress," the adjective beautiful is in the attributive position because it comes right before the noun dress. Subsection 2.2. Predicative adjectives. Predicative adjectives, on the other hand, come after a verb, usually a linking verb like be, seem, look, etc. For example, in the sentence, "The dress is beautiful," the adjective beautiful is in the predicative position because it comes after the linking verb is. It's important to note that some adjectives can only be used in one position or the other. For instance, the adjective main can only be used attributively, as in, "This is the main problem." It would sound odd to say, "The problem is main." Similarly, the adjective alone can only be used predicatively. You can say, "The man is alone," but not, "He is an alone man." Now that we've covered the theory, let's practice. Try to identify the position of adjectives in the following sentences. 1. The happy dog wagged its tail. 2. She is excited about her birthday party. 3. He bought an expensive car. 4. The car is expensive. In sentences 1 and 3, the adjectives happy and expensive are in the attributive position. In sentences 2 and 4, excited and expensive are in the predicative position. There you have it, language learners. You've now unlocked the secret of understanding the position of adjectives in sentences. It's important to keep practicing, as practice makes perfect. As always, we hope this video has been helpful, and we can't wait to see you in the next one. Happy learning!